Good morning, students. Today we will be studying about Anton Chekhov's The Proposal, the only drama which you have in your 10th standard. So you can see here, The Proposal was written by Anton Chekhov. It is an adaptation by Brian Molloy based on the translation by Julius West. So you don't have to remember all these things, I mean all this information. You just go through your book, then it is enough, and go through the video well, I mean simultaneously. So you see, this is the scene. Whenever we study about, whenever we just study about any drama or any play, we have to first know about the setting. So here you see, we get the in the setting we get to see the characters. So first is Stefan Stefanovich Chibukov, a landowner, then Natalia Stefanova, his daughter, 25 years old, and Ivan Vasinovich Lomov, a neighbor of Chibukov. So these are the three characters, okay? And after the characters, we see the setting, a drawing room in Chibukov's house. Now you see what happens. Lomov enters wearing a dress jacket and white gloves. First line. Chubukov, my dear Ivan Vasilovich, I am extremely glad to see you here. Squeezes his hand. Now this is a surprise, dear boy. How are you? And so on and all that. So Lomov is a character. Lomov is a young man. Okay. So he enters. Where he enters? He's a neighbor of Chibukov and he enters into Chibukov's house. So already you know that this has been taught before. So now we will see that what happens in the house of Chibukov. Chibukov says, my dear Ivan Vasilovich, I am extremely glad to see you here. मतलब उसका welcome करता है. Then उसके बाद, now this is a surprise, dear boy. How are you? And so on and all that. मतलब तुम कैसे हो? मतलब Chibukov is talking. Chibukov is just greeting him and also asks about his whereabout. Now Lomov says, I am well, thank you. And how are you getting on? मैं अच्छा हूँ, आप कैसे हो? Then Chibukov says, we are just getting by somehow, thanks to your prayers and so on. Sit down, please do. Now you know, you should not forget all about your dear neighbors. But why are you so formal? What's the occasion? Why the evening dress, gloves and so on and all that? Are you going somewhere? So basically, why Lomov came here? Lomov came here to propose Natalia. Natalia is the daughter of Chubukov. So that is why he has come all dressed up, all decked up. मतलब नटालिया को marriage proposal देने के लिए ही लोमोव आया था यहाँ पे, ठीक है? And that is why उसने बहुत अच्छा वाला ना एकदम totally suited booted होके आया है. So यहाँ पे देखो पूछता है why the evening dress, gloves and so on and all that. Are you going somewhere? मतलब चुबुकov उसको पूछता है. Then Lomov बोलता है no, I have come only to see you, honored Stefan Stefanovich. तो Lomov उसको बोलता है नहीं, मैं बस यहाँ पे आपको देखने के लिए ही आया हूँ. Then Chubukov says, then why are you in the evening dress, my boy? It is as if you are celebrating New Year's Eve. Then तुम यहाँ पे मतलब neighbor है, neighbor के घर कौन जाता है इतना सज सवर के? So that is why now Chubukov asks him, then why are you in so much dress and all? As if you are celebrating New Year's Eve. जैसे लग रहा है तुम्हें देख के कि तुम New Year's Eve celebrate करोगे. Then Lomov says, well, you see, it's like this. I'm sorry to trouble you. I have come to honor Stefan Stefanovich with a request. It's not the first time I have had the privilege of coming to you for help, and you have always, so to speak, I beg your pardon, I'm very nervous. If you don't mind, I'll drink some water. Honored Stefan Stefanovich, मतलब अभी ना ये जो है बहुत ज़्यादा ये वाला लाइन देखो, इफ़ यू डोंट माइंड आई ड्रिंक सम वाटर ऑनर स्टीफानोविच, मतलब अभी वो तो उसके बेटी की हाथ मांगने के लिए आया है ना, सो वो थोड़ा सा नर्वस है. नाउ चुबुकov सेज, oh don't beat around the bush, boy. Spit it out and so on. Beat around the bush. Now underline this, beat around the bush. Beat around the bush is is a phrase. इसका मतलब है ज़्यादा मतलब इधर उधर का बात मत करो, straight point में आओ, just come to the point straight away. Now Lomov says 1 minute, inhales deeply, इन्हें मतलब बहुत ज़ोर से मतलब बहुत heavy सांस लेता है and says the fact is I have come to ask for the hand of your daughter Natalia Stefanova in marriage. So ultimately उसका जो उद्देश्य है यहाँ पे आने का, like the purpose of him coming here is straight away expressed. Now you see what happens. Chubukov says, "Oh dear God in heaven, Ivan Vasilovich, such joy. Can you say that again? I am not sure I heard all that," and so on. Matlab Chubukov is also very happy to know that Lomov wants to marry his daughter, Lomov. "I have the honor to ask." Then Chubukov says, "Oh my dear boy, I am so glad and so on. Yes indeed, and all that sort of thing." Embraces and kisses Lomov. "I have been hoping for this for a long time. I have been hoping for this for a long time. You have always been like a son to me. God bless you both," and so on and all that. "Look at me. I am blabbering like an idiot. Such happiness." Squeezes Lomov's cheeks. Yes, squeezes means just, a gentle kiss, a fatherly kiss to the boy, to Lomov. Now Lomov says greatly moved. Greatly moved means like Lomov is also like overwhelmed. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा खुश. Lomov भी खुश है, Chubukov भी बहुत खुश है. Why, of course. अच्छा, honored Stefan Stefanovich, do you think I may count on her consent? Like consent means permission. Now he's talking about that. Do you think that I should now wait for your daughter's consent? मतलब मैं तो मेरे दिल का बात बोल दिया. अभी what about your daughter? Will she agree to get married to me? See, here it is. Honored Stefan Stefanovich, do you think I should count on her consent? Now Chubukov says, "Why, of course, she will consent. She's in love. She's like a cat in a cat in hit, and so on. I won't be long." Chubukov is saying why she will not agree. Of course she will. She will consent. Of course she will agree to get married to you. She's in love. She's like a cat in hit, and so on, and I won't be long. She's like a cat in hit. Cat in hit मतलब जो बिल्ली होते हैं ना, वो ज़्यादा धूप में नहीं रह सकते. Okay. So hence it is being told she's in love and she's like a cat in a hat. Lomov is saying, "It's cold. I'm trembling all over. I must resolve myself. I need steely determination. If I hesitate, I'm finished. If I take time to look for an ideal wife or for real love, then I will never get married." Shivers. Matlab, Lomov is now very much interested to marry Natalia, because now he really wants to settle down. Why? Because he's saying that I'm like 35 years, I'm already 35 and I ought to. अच्छा, यहाँ पे मैं लाइन स्किप कर दिया. फॉर एन आइडियल वाइफ, मतलब अभी अगर मैं रियल लव एंड आइडियल वाइफ के लिए देखने जाऊँ तो आई कैन नेवर गेट मैरिड. इतना कुछ अगर कंडीशन रखूँ तो आई कैन नेवर गेट मैरिड. मेरा कभी शादी ही नहीं हो सकता. नाउ इट इज़ सो कोल्ड. नटालिया स्टीफानोवा इज़ एन एक्सीलेंट हाउस कीपर. शी इज़ नॉट बैड लुकिंग एंड शी वेंट टू स्कूल. मतलब वो घर का काम में भी अच्छे है. शी इज़ गुड लुकिंग एंड ऑल्सो शी इज़ एजुकेटेड बिकॉज शी वेंट टू स्कूल. What more do I want? मुझे और क्या ही चाहिए? Oh, I am getting that ringing in my ears again. In any event, I need to marry. It's as simple as that. I'm already 35. I ought to lead a quiet and regular life with no upsets. I'm suffering from palpitations. I'm far too excitable. At this very moment, my lips are trembling and I'm getting that twitch in my right eyebrow again. But the worst thing of all is sleep, or the lack of it. As soon as my head hits the pillow, something in my left side gives a pull, makes a stretching sound, and I can feel it in my shoulder and head. I jump up like a lunatic, walk about a bit, and lie down again. But as soon as I begin to get off to sleep, it happens again. There is another pull, and this may happen 20 times. So this paragraph is very important. this particular paragraph. Why? Because here we can see that out of excitement, out of happiness, Lomov is so excited, Lomov is so nervous, and Lomov's palpitation starts increasing. And why is it so? Because he is actually very much in love, and he really wants to settle down with what is the name of the lady? Natalia. Because he is already 35 and he wants to lead a regular and quiet life. Now Natalia enters. Who enters? Natalia, the heroine of this drama. Natalia Stefanova, her full name. Just remember the spellings, okay, properly. Don't make spelling mistakes here. Well, hello there. It's only you, Papa said. Go inside. There is a merchant come by to collect his goods. How have you been, Ivan Vasilovich? Lomov. I have been well, honored Natalia Stefanova. He stands and bows. Natalia Stefanova, you must excuse my apron. We are shelling peas for drying. Why haven't you been here for such a long time? Please sit down. Won't you have some lunch? No, thank you. I have had some already. Natalia says, please smoke if you like. The weather is glorious now, but yesterday it was so wet that a filled hands could not do anything all day. Wait a sec, guys. Please smoke if you like. The weather is glorious now, but yesterday it was so wet that the field hands could not do anything all day. How much have you stacked? Actually, I got a bit enthusiastic today and had a whole field cut, and now I'm regretting it because I'm afraid the hay may rot. Should I have waited a bit? Yes, I ought to have waited a bit, but look at you. Why, you are in an evening dress. Well, you look nice. Are you going to a party or something? Tell me. So basically, Natalia is talking about that fact that, she was doing some work in the field and then she was worried about it. And now suddenly she notices, वो suddenly notice करता है कि लोमॉफ जो है वो बहुत सारा सूटेड बूटेड होके आया है सच सबर के पूरा तैयार होके एंड देन लोमॉफ excitedly he says, yes, you see, honored Natalia Stefanova, the fact is I have come here to see if you would, to ask you to hear me out. Of course you will be surprised and perhaps even a bit angry, but it's really cold. I mean, you see, वो अभी स्टैमर करता है. स्टैमर मतलब हक ला रहा है प्रॉपरली. उसके मन में जो बात है वो he is not being able to say that. Natalia Stefanova says, what's the matter? What's the matter? Well, Lomov, I shall try to be brief. You must know, honored Natalia Stefanova, that I have long since my childhood, in fact, had the privilege of knowing your family. My late aunt and her husband, from whom, as you know, I inherited my land, always had the greatest respect for your family, respect for your father and your late mother. The Lomov and the Chuvukovs have always had the friendliest and I might almost say the most affectionate regard for each other. We are close neighbors, of course, you already know this. My land borders yours, my oxen meadows touch your brickwoods and Natalia Stefanova. Now see, here when Lomov talks about his family and the lands, here the conflict comes. Kaha jaake my oxen meadows. So here is the main thing that starts. Natalia Stefanova says, one moment, please forgive the interruption, but you said my oxen meadows? But are they yours? Lomov says, yes, they are mine. Natalia Stefanova says, laughing, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Oxen meadows are ours, not yours. Lomov says, no, mine, honored Natalia Stefanova. Now Natalia says, well, I never knew that before. How do you make that out? So you see the argument starts coming in. Okay. Lomov says, how? I am thinking about the oxen meadows on that tiny patch of land wedged in between your brickwoods and the burnt marsh. Natalia says, and the burnt marsh, and yes, no, they are ours. No, you are mistaken, honored Natalia Stefanova. They are mine. Natalia Stefanova says, now think very carefully. Ivan Visalevich, how long have they been yours? Lomov says, how long? As long as I can remember. Now really wait just a minute. You know what happens here? Like, she just gets a little bit angry. So you see what happens now. I mean, afterwards you have to read it. So first 3 pages, I mean till here I am teaching you. Rest of the things also I will be continuing, but first you go through these particular lines. Okay, thank you so much, and I'll be sending you the other explanation again later in the next class. So your work is to open your book, open this chapter, take out this chapter, and go through this video as well. And if you have any problem in understanding this much, then you can just knock me. I'm here.